Hey there, I'm Sam, and today I wanted to show you this dry erase whiteboard calendar that I got. I got this one because I loved that there was enough space on this one to write out exactly what I needed in the individual squares. I love that it is customizable with the dry erase feature. I love that it has space on the side here to be able to write additional notes as needed. It's very smooth to be able to write on the dry erase board. It's also really easy to wipe everything off just using like a soft cloth, a dry eraser, or if needed for like those really tough markers, just some rubbing alcohol. It does include all the hardware needed to be able to hang this onto your wall. The particular calendar I got is the silver aluminum border, which looks really great, and it has been really sturdy, held up really nice. Like I mentioned, this does have a lot of space in these individual squares to be able to write all of your different events, meetings, appointments, things like that you have going on, especially if you have multiple different things going on one day. And then what I love is that I have this entire section here to be able to write additional notes. I like writing things like my grocery list, additional meeting notes, just things like that. And you have this entire section to be able to do that. One of the other features that are really great about this calendar is that it is magnetic. So if I needed to attach additional papers here, then I could just with a magnet. And then to keep up with all of your magnetic dry erase markers, you can also just keep them here as well. So that's also a really great feature. So if you were also needing a dry erase option to be able to keep up with all of your tasks, appointments, things like that, but without having like a bulky calendar to constantly have to keep up with, I would definitely recommend giving this one a try.